Imagine yourself in this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.